Health is a good thing, maybe the best of things. Invest in the greatest gift, your health. Change your life one step, one breath, one decision at a time. 17 tips to unlock a healthier, happier you. I'll share a secret to transform your health. Ever wondered what the secret to a healthier life is? Stay tuned for a life-changing tip. Number 1. Fueling your body for life, redemption. It's a word that echoes in the heart of every man who's ever dared to dream. Let's talk about food, not just eating, but truly nourishing this remarkable vessel. A balanced diet isn't about deprivation, it's about abundance. Think vibrant fruits and vegetables bursting with color and life, lean proteins that build and repair, and whole grains that provide sustained energy. Choose wisely and unlock vitality you never thought possible. Number 2. Movement as medicine. In Shawshank, we learned that hope can set you free. And in the realm of health, movement is that liberating force. Your body was designed to move, to run, to dance, to experience the world in all its dynamic glory. Regular exercise isn't about punishment, it's about celebration. Find an activity you love, whether it's hiking, swimming, or simply taking a brisk walk. Make movement a non-negotiable part of your day, even if it's just 10 minutes here and there. Number 3. The power of slumber. Remember those long nights in Shawshank, when darkness enveloped everything, yet hope still flickered within? Sleep is like that. It's a time for your body to rest, to repair, to rejuvenate itself from the inside out. Yet in our fast-paced world, sleep is often sacrificed at the altar of productivity. But here's the truth. Adequate sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, dim the lights, disconnect from the digital world, and allow yourself to drift into the embrace of deep, restorative slumber. Number 4. The Elixir of Life. Water. It's the essence of life, the fluid that sustains us, the river that flows through every cell in your body. Drinking enough water throughout the day is like providing a steady stream of nourishment to every organ, every tissue, every fiber of your being. Aim for 8 glasses a day and more if you're exercising or exposed to heat. Carry a reusable water bottle with you as a reminder to stay hydrated and savor each sip as an act of self-care. Number 5. Taming the inner storm. Life, much like Shawshank, can throw its share of challenges our way. Stress, worry, anxiety, these emotions can cast a long shadow over our days, affecting not only our mental state, but also our physical health. Stress management is key. Whether it's through deep breathing exercises, meditation, or spending time in nature, find what works for you. Remember, you are not defined by the challenges you face, but by how you choose to rise above them. Number 6. Breaking free from chains. In the cold, unforgiving walls of Shawshank, smoking was often a crutch, a way to escape the harsh realities of prison life. But true freedom comes from breaking free from the chains that bind us, both physically and metaphorically. Smoking is a dangerous habit, one that slowly but surely erodes your health. Seek support from loved ones, healthcare professionals, or support groups. There are countless resources available to help you break free from this addiction and reclaim your health. Number 7. Moderation, the key to balance. Just like the occasional taste of freedom Red enjoyed in Shawshank, indulging in life's pleasures in moderation can be a source of joy. But when it comes to alcohol, excessive consumption can have serious consequences for your physical and mental well-being. It's about finding that sweet spot, that delicate balance where enjoyment doesn't tip the scales into excess. Listen to your body, be mindful of your limits, and choose quality over quantity. Number 8. Finding your healthy weight. In the tapestry of life, just like in the intricate details of Andy's escape plan, every thread counts. And when it comes to your health, maintaining a healthy weight is a crucial thread in that grand design. Focus on nourishing your body with whole, unprocessed foods, staying active, and listening to your body's natural hunger and fullness cues. Remember, health is not a destination, it's a journey. And every step you take towards a healthy weight is a step towards a healthier, happier you. Happier, Number 9. Cleanliness is next to godliness. In Shawshank, maintaining hygiene was essential for survival. Good hygiene practices are vital for your health and well-being. Simple habits like washing your hands, brushing and flossing your teeth, and keeping your living spaces clean prevent germs. Good hygiene respects your body and creates a healthier environment. Number 10. The gift of early detection. Hope, as Andy Dufresne taught us, is a powerful thing. And in the realm of health, early detection is hope personified. Regular medical checkups and screenings are like shining a light into the inner workings of your body, allowing healthcare professionals to identify any potential issues before they escalate. Don't wait for symptoms to arise. Be proactive in your approach to health. Number 11. The healing power of connection. Even within the isolating walls of Shawshank, human connection proved to be a lifeline for Andy and Red. And in the vast expanse of life, strong, healthy relationships are the anchors that keep us grounded, supported, and loved. Cultivating deep, meaningful connections with family, friends, and community is essential for our mental, emotional, and even physical well-being. Make time for loved ones, engage in activities that bring you together, and nurture those bonds that make life richer and more meaningful. Number 12. A mind that never stops learning. Remember how Andy Dufresne, armed with his knowledge and determination, orchestrated his escape from Shawshank? Your mind is a powerful tool capable of endless growth and expansion. Engage in activities that challenge your intellect, whether it's reading, learning a new language, playing brain training games, or simply having stimulating conversations. Keep your mind active, curious, and engaged, and you'll reap the rewards of a sharper memory, improved cognitive function, and a greater sense of fulfillment. Number 13. Finding stillness in the chaos. In the midst of life's hustle and bustle, it's easy to get caught up in the whirlwind of thoughts and distractions. But you can find inner peace through mindfulness. Whether it's meditation, deep breathing, or simply appreciating the beauty around you, mindfulness can reduce stress and improve well-being. Number 14. Nourishment versus empty calories. In the world of food, just as in the walls of Shawshank, there's a stark difference between true nourishment and empty promises. Processed foods, laden with artificial ingredients, preservatives, and added sugars, may offer a quick fix, but they lack the essential nutrients your body needs to thrive. Make a conscious effort to choose whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Number 15. The art of recharging. Your body and mind need regular breaks to recharge and rejuvenate. In our always-on culture, we often push ourselves to exhaustion. Schedule downtime into your week for joy and relaxation, whether it's spending time in nature, reading a book, or taking a long bath. Make time for relaxation and watch your well-being soar. Number 16. The power of positivity. Hope, as we learned in Shawshank, can sustain us even in the darkest of times. And in the journey of life, cultivating a positive mindset can be just as transformative. Our thoughts have incredible power, shaping our perceptions, influencing our actions, and impacting our overall well-being. Make a conscious effort to focus on the good, to practice gratitude for the blessings in your life, and to reframe negative thoughts in a more positive light. Number 17. One step at a time. Andy Dufresne's escape from Shawshank was a testament to the power of patience, perseverance, and setting realistic goals. The same principle applies to our health journey. Don't get caught up in the trap of seeking quick fixes or aiming for drastic overnight transformations. True, lasting change happens gradually, one step at a time. Celebrate your successes along the way and remember that every step forward, no matter how small, is a step in the right direction. Your healthier tomorrow starts today. We've walked through 17 powerful steps you can take to unlock a healthier, more vibrant you. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to this channel for more inspiring content on your journey to a healthier, happier you. And that secret, I promised, the golden nugget of wisdom, it's simple. Never stop believing in the power you have to change your life. It's never too late to start, and every step you take matters.